Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience using ParagraphAI. ParagraphAI is a website located at https://paragraphai.com that offers AI-powered writing assistance. This online platform leverages artificial intelligence to help users generate various types of written content. Whether you're crafting emails, blog posts, articles, or even working on creative writing projects, ParagraphAI can provide support and streamline your writing process. It offers features that can help with brainstorming ideas, improving grammar and style, and even overcoming writer's block. The platform aims to make writing more efficient and less daunting, regardless of your skill level or the type of content you are creating. By utilizing the power of AI, ParagraphAI promises to be a versatile tool for anyone who works with words. From generating marketing copy to crafting compelling narratives, this tool offers a wide range of potential applications for both personal and professional writing tasks. Its website suggests it can be used for everything from rewriting and summarizing text to translating it into different languages. This comprehensive suite of features makes ParagraphAI a valuable asset for individuals looking to enhance their writing productivity and quality. Furthermore, the platform is constantly evolving and incorporating new advancements in AI technology, ensuring that users have access to the latest and most effective writing tools. This commitment to ongoing improvement makes ParagraphAI a forward-thinking solution in the ever-changing landscape of digital writing. Give it a try and see if ParagraphAI can help elevate your writing to the next level. I hope you found this overview informative. Don't forget to check out the description for all the links and resources mentioned. Thanks for watching.